Good afternoon. How's everybody in YouTube doing? Dave here, bringing you another episode of Daily Vlog, checking out the farm life. So stay tuned after this. How's everyone doing here, YouTube? Gonna take another walk here, and check this out real quick. We're gonna be walking the fields here for a little bit and checking out how the plants are coming out. You can see it's going pretty good. And I can also notice there's tracks of wild animals, and it might be coyotes or it might be pigs, and they're normally coming out of those orange orchards right here. They don't look like rabbits. It's too big of a paw to be a rabbit, but there hasn't been too much activity going on here. Not like yesterday's video where the watermelons were pretty much of a rough size. There is a small one out there. See if I can get in here just so you can see it without hurting the... Let's see if I can get a little bit closer without hurting the plant. Here's a small one right there. They're pretty small right now. These will be growing up very healthy. They're still growing up pretty healthy, as we can notice that the leaves, the stem is very strong. It's not slumping down. Getting a message from one of my subscribers in the Philippines asking me how I'm doing, is I got a little bit sick last night. Here's another plant here, very healthy. The stems are looking good. Stems are real good. They're very strong. We're looking at some strong plants here. Now, these are pretty young, which means that it might not take maybe another month or so on this one. Not to the ones compared to yesterday. Yesterday, we can actually see the watermelons already growing, and we can't see. Here's one right here. It's a small one. This is gonna be a seedless. That one's going pretty good. I don't want to disturb it. And let's see, there's another one that I saw, another one here. More or less of a medium-sized one. Two medium-sized ones right here. That one right there and that one right here. So it is coming out pretty good. It probably won't be long. As I said, it probably won't be long before we start getting watermelons. Good quality watermelons. Seedless. Very, very, very sweet. I'm going to keep walking forward just a little bit more, just so I can try to get one more watermelon and see if there's another baby watermelon somewhere around here. Yeah. Can't seem to find any. It's pretty thick right now, and of course we're still irrigating because we want them. Here's a baby one right here. Now, what we have on the other side is a cotton. Cotton's still growing. That one's pretty green right now. We probably won't see anything till maybe mid-July. The end of July or mid-July. Somewhere around there. Excuse me. I'm still picking up a little bit of gas from that hamburger that I ate earlier. I had me a Whataburger. Because they kind of prepared it wrong. I told them to cut the hamburger in half. And Edeline is sending me a message saying that she's doing fine. She's staying at home at her shelter. She lives in Cebu, Philippines. And according to her, she's hoping that I will go see her during this time. Hold on a second. I've got a phone call. Hello.
What field are you in?
Not much. Huh?
Where you at?
I'm at the where you saw me yesterday, a little bit further north. Oh, okay. All right, bye. It's one of my subscribers. He's coming over to visit with me, but I gotta finish up this video real quick, and give you today's vlog, and we will see you tomorrow. See the progress of the watermelons, of how they're growing, and for all you people around the world, if you're still staying at home, that's good. Stay alive, which is what's important. A lot of my friends in the Philippines are staying at home. I see most of their videos. One of my favorite people in the Philippines that comes out with many vlogs is Finn Snow and his girlfriend Sheldon. He comes out on YouTube a lot. Will Dasovich is another person that's staying at home. He does his exercise and so forth. I try to do my exercises, but you know what? I have to work on mine. But anyways, you all be safe and good luck and God bless, and we will see you tomorrow.